Joint Parliamentary Committee on Waqf Matters met today in Hyderabad. We had a very long session today, and the chairman and all the members of the Joint Parliamentary Committee met around 42 organizations and a couple of individuals and listened to all of them. We listened to all of the members and the organizations with tremendous level of patience, and very good suggestions have come. I would say that good inputs, not expected inputs have come, and all these inputs, all these suggestions, all these grievances would actually help us shape the bill which has been given to us. So I think there will be a lot of work done before the bill is presented before the Speaker for further discussion in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. So I think people from all walks of life have come, and this actually makes us very happy. You could see many farmers coming up. They had their own grievances. Many Maulana Bandhu had come. They had their own grievances. Women in large numbers came forward, not only the organizations, but individual women had also come. So whatever the feeling around the bill 2024 was put forth with absolutely no hesitation by all, and that's the best part. And the inputs are very valuable, I would say. It was good meeting with all the key stakeholders, and as you know, this particular hearing had taken place first in Mumbai, and then we all moved to Ahmedabad. A day-long consultation took place in Ahmedabad. Thereafter we came to Hyderabad. Tomorrow we are going to Chennai, and thereafter in Bengaluru. So I think all parts of the country are being covered. We are trying to make it as wide-based as possible. So I think with a lot of patience, and this particular exercise is being carried out. And I'm sure this kind of hard work, this kind of patience will bear the result. A bill in the right shape with all the inputs, etc., would be presented before the Honourable Speaker for further